Today I'm showing you how to draw Taylor Swift with a regular, everyday HB pencil. You can download this stencil and drawing guide from my Etsy shop. You can find the link in the description below.
But another story's going round all over town. Guess you think I'm blind, or maybe that I'm dumb. But in the end, you know what goes will come around. We could have been doing just great, but you threw a good thing away. We're up, wanted me to love you. You're so out of line, and what am I to tell you? But you're out of time. Ain't got no illusion, we shouldn't lie. Your words, they count for nothing, but you're out of time. Still out of time. You've been stepping out, broke the golden rule. And the way you're playing, girl, it's me you're gonna lose. No turning back, the fairy tale is gone. And that's a good thing, 'cause you are not the one. We could have been doing just great, but you threw a good thing away. We're up, wanted me to love you. You're so out of line, and what am I to tell you? But you're out of time. Ain't got no illusion, we shouldn't lie. Your words, they count for nothing, but you're out of time. Still out of time. You're out of time. silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry.